Hey, this is Sandra Payne here. I'm excited that you're here checking out this video. It means that you're interested in joining me for this epic program, Nurse RX. This is unlike any other nursing course you've taken. It's everything that they should have told us in nursing school, but they didn't. This day is going to be packed full of information, tools, resources, connection, support that's going to take you from where you are now, maybe feeling overwhelmed, maybe emotionally, physically, mentally exhausted and burnt out, to where you want to be, reconnecting with that passion, finding your joy again, finding your light, your smile, feeling like you're excited for each day of your life, and really rebuilding that connection with yourself. This day is going to be transformational. I can promise you that. I am looking forward to meeting you and to working with you throughout this program. Be sure to register early so you can get the early bird price and you can save yourself a seat. See you soon.